नमस्कार हजुरलाई थाहा छँदैछ म गोदावरीमा बस्छु टोकहिलमा र यहाँ चाहिँ नि विभिन्न बस्ने क्रममा यहीँको स्कुलमा पढ्छु म। यहाँ वरिपरि मेरा थुप्रै साथीभाइहरू पनि छन्। त्यसै गरिकन अब कम्युनिटीको कुनै कुनै कार्यक्रमहरू भयो भने त्यहाँ पनि भेटघाट भइहाल्छ होइन। त्यसै गरिकन म वक जान्छु सन्तानेश्वर होइन। म बाटोमा बोल्दै 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 जान्छु। त्यस्तै गरिकन म अस्ति वक गइरहेको थिएँ अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ एकजना महिला भेट भयो। उहाँले मलाई रोक्नुभयो अनि उहाँले के भन्नुभयो भने मैले तपाईँलाई धेरैचोटि भेट्न खोजेको थिएँ करिश्मा, भेट हुन सकेन र यो वास्तवमा म तपाईँको घरमा पनि धेरै पटक आइसकेँ भन्नुभयो। अनि मैले उहाँको नाम चाहिँ भ्यालेन्टाइन, अनि नाम अलिक कस्तो विदेशी साउन्ड गर्छ है, अनि अङ्ग्रेजीमै बोल्नुहुन्थ्यो धेरै उहाँले। अनि मैले चाहिँ को हो त तपाईँ, आउनुहोस् न भनेर भनेँ। अनि जब उहाँ भोलिपल्ट आउनुभयो उहाँले भन्नुभयो कि म चाहिँ नि मेरो नाम भ्यालेन्टाइन हो अनि म चाहिँ यो सेन्ट जेभियर्स स्कुल छ गोदावरीमा, सेन्ट जेभियर्समा पढाउँथेँ धेरै वर्ष अगाडि, जुन बेला चाहिँ तपाईँको त्यो ब्राइटर टुथपेस्टको एडहरू आउँथ्यो नि, त्यो ताकादेखि मैले तपाईँलाई नोटिस गराएको थिएँ है भन्नुभयो। ए भनेर त्यसो भए धेरै पुरानो पढाउनु हुँदो रहेछ भने त्यसपछि उहाँले चाहिँ अन्य विभिन्न स्कुलहरूमा पनि पढाउनु हुँदो रहेछ। अनि उहाँले के भन्नु भने अब चाहिँ म अलिक म्याच्योर भएँ, म पढाउन सक्दिनँ, काम चाहिँ म गर्न सक्दिनँ, अनि तर मलाई मेरो जीविका त चलाउनु छ, मेरो घर छैन, त्यसैले म चाहिँ आफ्नो एउटा सेल्टर, एउटा घर बनाउनको निमित्त चाहिँ जग्गा हेरिरहेको छु भन्नुभयो है। अनि मलाई भन्नुभयो कि क्यान यु जस्ट हेल्प मी फर समथिङ फर दिस भन्नुभयो। मैले त्यस्तो अब जग्गै दिने हेल्प त गर्न सकिँदैन है। फेरि कस्तो हुन्छ भने यो हुन त सुकुम्बासीलाई अथवा जसको जग्गा एक टुक्रा पनि जग्गा नाममा छैन ती मानिसहरूलाई चाहिँ जग्गा सरकारले प्रदान गर्छ, त्यस्तो आएकै छ भन्ने मलाई थाहा छ। तर उहाँको चाहिँ नि अब यहाँ पढाएको त हो, काम गरेको हो, उहाँले उहाँको जीवन सबै यहाँ बिताउनु भयो, तर उहाँ यहाँको होइन जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई। त्यही कारण उहाँले चाहिँ के भन्नु भने अब म जबसम्म बाँच्छु एउटा सेल्टर मलाई चाहियो, त्यसको लागि मैले जग्गा चाहिँ नि भाडामा लिन्छु र भाडामा लिएर चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ मसँग टिनहरू छ र म एउटा सेल्टर बनाउँछु भन्नुभयो। अनि हुन त मलाई मेरो प्रिभियस काम गरेको ठाउँबाट अलिअलि पैसाहरू त आउँछ, तर त्यो इनफ हुँदैन किनभने म एक्लै छु, मेरो खाने लाउने पनि पर्छ भन्नुभयो। अनि त्यहाँ एउटा आशा नेपाल भन्ने संस्था छ हाम्रो अलिकति पर, जहाँ चाहिँ म अहिले जाँदैछु। हाम्रो यो महिला भ्यालेन्टाइनको घर जहाँ छ त्यहाँनिर उहाँले बनाउनु भएको छ र उहाँलाई आशा नेपाल भन्ने संस्थाले चाहिँ त्यो रेन्टमा लिन मद्दत गरेको रहेछ। र उहाँले मलाई यहाँ पनि आउनु भएको थियो, मैले आफूले मिनिमम सहयोग गर्न सक्ने हुन्छ नि एउटा गरेँ। अब त्यो चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने फेरि एकदमै अब अति आवश्यक वस्तुहरूको लागि सहयोग गर्ने हो होइन। अनि त्यो भएको हुनाले चाहिँ अब उहाँको चाहिँ अब उहाँले के पनि मलाई मन कहाँनिर छोयो भने उहाँले भन्नुभयो कि मानिसहरूको अलिक वृद्ध भएपछि चाहिँ छोराछोरी हुन्छन्, 3-4 चोटि खाना सोध्ने मानिसहरू हुन्छन्, बिरामी औषधि खायो कि खाएन भने सोध्ने मानिसहरू हुन्छन्, तर मेरो त्यो सब छैन, जाडोमा मलाई एकदम गाह्रो पनि हुन्छ भन्नुभयो। अनि कतिको लागि रेन्टमा लिन लाग्नुभयो भनेको फर लाइक 5 years or 10 years भन्नुभयो। मैले किन भन्नु त्यतिको लागि मात्रै भन्दाखेरि होइन त्यति बाँच्छु होला भन्नुभयो। अनि त्यो कुराले झनै मलाई मन छोयो। त्यही कारण त्यसपछि भेट भएको थिएन। अनि यो लकडाउन भइसकेपछि उहाँले मलाई फोन गर्नुभयो, अस्ति 6 चोटि जति फोन गर्नुभएको रहेछ, मिस कल भएछ। अनि मैले आज फेरि फोन गर्नुभयो उहाँले र भन्नुभयो करिश्मा क्यान यु जस्ट कम टु माई प्लेस, भिजिट माई प्लेस बिकज आई वान्ट टु सो यु भनेर भन्नुभयो। मैले हुन्छ नि त म आउँछु होइन, तर के छ भने यहाँ बिहान बेलुका मात्रै तरकारी किन्नलाई मात्रै खुला हुन्छ, यतिकै हिँड्न मिल्दैन, अहिले लकडाउन छ भन्दाखेरि हुन्छ तपाईँलाई मिल्ने समयमा तपाईँ आउनुहोस् भनेर भन्नुभयो। र म अहिले जान्छु भ्यालेन्टाइनको घर हेर्नलाई। उहाँले कसरी बनाउनु भयो उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो मजदुरहरूको लागि अलि धेरै पैसा लाग्छ, अब टिनहरू त मसँग छ तर मजदुरहरूको लागि पैसा लाग्छ। अनि अस्ति पनि उहाँको घरभित्र पानी पस्यो भनेर भन्नुभएको थियो है। अनि मैले चाहिँ आज सोचेँ कि अहिले 5 बजेपछि खुलेपछि चाहिँ म यसो उहाँलाई वक गरेर भिजिट गरौँ। र उहाँले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो कि म केही भन्न चाहन्छु, तिम्रो चाहिँ युट्युब बनाउँछौ रे तिमीले, र म केही भन्न चाहन्छु भन्नुभएको छ है उहाँले। र केही उहाँको भनाइहरूलाई आजको सामग्रीमा मैले समावेश गर्दैछु। हस्, भ्यालेन्टाइनलाई हामी उसको घरमा गएर भेटौँ है त। तिमीलाई थाहा छ पुष्पाञ्जली स्कुल कहाँ छ कहाँनिर छ आऊ देखाऊ अनि खेल्दाखेरि पनि अलिक घरभित्रै खेल्ने बाहिर बाहिर जानु हुँदैन है हामी कुर्दैछौँ भ्यालेन्टाइनलाई एकछिन आउनुहुन्छ अहिले चाहिँ भ्यालेन्टाइन आउनुभयो होइन उहाँले मलाई लिन आउनुभयो अब हामी उहाँको घरमा जाँदैछौँ भ्यालेन्टाइन दिस इज माई ब्लग सो यु नो आई टेल माई थिङ्स and I tell them about you also today. So, namaste भन्नुहोस् उहाँलाई मेरो ब्लगको भ्युअर्सहरूलाई हेर्नेमा Say hi to them.
Oh, hi.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, before I wasn't see her, then the last time also she talked me very well.
भ्यालेन्टाइन एक शिक्षिका थिइन्
So what did you get?
उनलाई धेरै कुराको ज्ञान थियो तर अहिले समयको परिबन्धले उनी यस किसिमले बस्न बाध्य थिइन् जुन ठाउँमा हामी अहिले जाँदैछौँ हामी केही कुराकानी गर्दै उनी बस्ने ठाउँसम्म पुग्यौँ उनले धेरै कुरा बताइन् आफ्नो बारेमा र आफू बसेको ठाउँको बारेमा धेरै चिजहरूसँग उनलाई धेरै गुनासोहरू थियो धेरै मानिसहरूसँग पनि गुनासो थियो र उनको कुराले यस्तो लाग्थ्यो कि उनी आफ्ना धेरै कुराहरू कसैलाई भन्न चाहन्थिन् बताउन चाहन्थिन्
No, I will not get shocked. You grow this vegetable?
No. There's whoever is over there, they does like that.
Oh, okay.
And this one, when I met after 1 week, the Baisakh 3 gate, the all float came, all gone. They never spoke me the road float comes on inside, and this one stood over there. Then I'm hopefully that outside one.
बस्ने ठाउँ ठिकठाकै देखिए पनि त्यहाँ बत्ती थिएन जुन सुन्दै अनौठो लाग्थ्यो
Provide me whoever very big had
But nobody will borrow you some light. I mean, they can borrow you from other house.
No. If they have given it a good hardly, they could ask. I am the single person and the old age lady, and the only this was 12,000. So
Okay.
their village people are getting so shocked.
Anyway, you fix the roof.
Yeah, maybe people did like that one.
Okay.
Listen,
Can I come inside?
yes, that is what I know. Or inside one and outside one photo. One photo inside one photo outside one. You see.
Okay.
All water was.
उनी घरिघरि भनिरहेकी थिइन् कि मेरो एउटा बाहिर घरको फोटो र एउटा घरभित्रको फोटो लिएर देखाइदिनुहोस्
That is why I want photo.
But can I put the things here?
But this is don't get trouble for me.
No, I'm not in trouble. This is just my respect for you. Don't worry.
Big blessing for you.
Thank you. Okay, but
you
you
practice
managed
it.
anyway. You did that. I mean, you by yourself.
These all things, old things was with me.
Okay. Where did you keep this all thing?
This one was the which house I was staying outside the roof.
Okay.
That I was kept it. Nothing was bite, only wire.
Okay,
Wire
but you
and
should. I mean, get one light at least. You know.
wire and this one now wherever is hole. This thing was the expensive. 250.
Okay, expensive tin.
No, tin. No, not this one block, no. What you call it? This is like a gum. The strong one, gum. Strong one.
Okay.
Water doesn't come, but they didn't fix properly. See, water comes from that side. That they supposed to. Look at, they supposed to put the roof up to here. But the very short, when the water comes, all water comes inside. That was the earthquake they was learned to do. That is why I was going back of them to do this one, and all water comes from that side. This one also, all water comes. I cannot see all get wet, and so that I will call that the one person that's left over that only to put over there. I'm thinking on.
Okay. But the necessary thing is you need light here.
They are not asking. If they will ask, then I don't beg. Because
But you can
now,
pay and get the lights from other house.
because now, which day I was going to after 3-4 days, I will sit in. I was going to ask the water and the like something and
Oh,
what
where
the
did you
sea
get the water from?
water. I'll fetch. I'll go over there.
Oh, okay.
They
This is
never.
so difficult.
They never ask me, you take the water, you take the this, never said. And the sea feels so disturbed when I enter to go, I ask this one water to this one to pot me, like that one. That is a without potting, then and I put this one. This one is cheaper price, 15 rupees per piece. And they feel
But
that
it's okay in summertime, but in winter when it is cold, you cannot survive like this.
what
You
to
should put
do,
something,
God
I don't
will.
know.
God,
There is no people around here, right? If you need something for help, like it's
what kind of it?
help, like if you are alone person. So if you at the night something happened to you, if you ask someone, if you want to call someone, there's no one. You have a phone at least.
Yeah. And nearby that one family, Rai family.
Okay.
Rai families are very good. They came and they gave it me to the digging one things, and we made this one, this drain.
But you see the wire coming from here.
Yes, why that
because
your neighbor,
they
yeah, neighbor has spoke me, but they have to say themselves. No, you take how you managing water and the electricity. They should ask me. No, they haven't asked me
They
anything.
will not do that. You should go and ask them.
No. One day I was entered. Then she was at home. That the girls what they said. Girl said she's not at home. That the girl says me like that. So this and I feel so.
You have a wire
anyway,
here. You can just pull the wire and put the light.
Anyway, this year I'm planning to spend this year.
You move. So
That's
that's every time you are moving from
Yeah.
here and there, it's difficult for you.
difficult for me.
So
No,
I mean,
this
you have to
much,
fix this all.
this much money I spent nearly 30,000
Later.
carrying the about now the carrying fees they charge 1,500 per each in the daytime.
उनको कुरा सुनिरहँदा मलाई मनमा आयो कि किन उनले यस्तो झन्झट मोल्न खोजिन् होला एक्लै भएर अभावहरू सहेर। तर मलाई फेरि लाग्यो कि सायद उनलाई आफ्नो स्वतन्त्रता प्यारो छ, उनी आफ्नै घर चाहन्छन्। मलाई मनमा लागिरह्यो उनले बरु एउटा कोठाको डेरा लिएर बसेको भए त्यहाँ पानीको सुविधा हुन्थ्यो, बिजुलीको सुविधा हुन्थ्यो र त्यहाँ उनलाई मद्दत गर्ने साथीहरू पनि हुन्थ्यो होलान्। तर यो उनको आफ्नो इच्छा थियो, उनी यसरी बस्न चाहन्छन्।
I like the place because it's a good neighborhood. I like the place. But what you need is the good floor, arrangement of water and the light. That's it you need.
Yeah.
I like the place though.
Yes, I like it place. That is why I'm paying. Everybody saying 12,000 for you is expensive, but I said let it
Yeah,
be.
because you have a good neighborhood.
Nearby also.
What we can do for light and water? Is there any
And
way?
she was told me before giving one water, you have to teach my children. Because I'm retired and once a week I will go 2 times for the school and the office. That much only. So I have to take care for my health, and meditation and the pray. I do pray and pray. I'm living on it. So I have to take very good care, not the food and not the richest things in a bit, but the whatever I like, that only I'll prepare. That I am thinking, and she said, and then I said myself, better I will pay the money. And what she said, you cannot provide much money. She said, and from that day, really, so I harmed because she was not trying to, I feel like that. She was not trying to help me. She's wanting money from my side. So I feel so harmed, and I present 10,000, not 10,000 enough. Once a month, 1,000. So once a year will be 12,000. You like a 12,000. That is why 12,000 I pay there. Each month you provided 2 more thousand, and then I give it there.
Okay, you can ask me like monthly 1,000. I will pay for that. Don't worry about it.
No, already I paid this year.
Okay. Oh, that's fine then. But don't think about move because this place is good for you, and then just think about the light. How you can get the light and how you can get the water in here.
And we'll
Water
just
in
fix.
on the rainy season time, I can do it. And yesterday
And
was
but
the rain.
I have a people. I will ask them to fix your floor.
And let it be. I'll this one.
No,
Just
no, it's okay, but we'll do that next month maybe, because in winter time you cannot survive in this condition.
police
Can
and
I talk
police
with
stuff like
someone about the light, or can I talk with someone, because I don't know anyone here? So I will request them to give you some light.
That is why before it get dark, then I finish with everything, and I will be able to know.
But you have to think about the how you are going to get the light. You have to think the idea. What will you can do?
I don't know. And when the rainy season comes, and from that way, in that way, 2-3 places that the water flow comes very heavily, and it can enter up in there. Saying we have to make a more deep over here, and they have to spoke to me, and so what to do. And when the heavy rain comes, and we see, and some people are giving me service, some people are providing the good land over there. That one is
But
very
the
cheaper
thing
in
is, if
price.
you want to move, you have to, destroy everything and carry everything over there.
Yeah.
So it is difficult for you.
Yeah. No,
So you have to spend another 30,000 for that.
Yeah. This is nearly 30, not 30,000. This is I think 27.
Okay. But you have to do that again, all over again.
Yeah, I have to do it to me.
Okay. So you are thinking about move from here.
No, once 1 year later, I will
Okay, we will
consider.
think something about
Yeah,
it then.
yeah.
Till then.
No, that much I don't like to make so much headache, because the people are saying no. So many people were back.
Where is your mask?
I don't feel this.
I have got the mask for you. There you go. No, I got mask for you. Really.
I don't like that one.
This is paper, good one.
I don't like.
Get this for you. I was
Like
about to
this I did.
forget.
I guess I did.
I know, but this is more safer.
Then some people talk, you are very good at it, and your mother, sister also over there.
My auntie and my mother.
She's elder or the younger?
She's younger.
Oh, she talked to me last time. Oh, she has a very good heart. That charisma, she's like that kind of. They told me sometimes they go for walk, and some others they.
यतिका समस्याको बावजुद पनि
Charisma used to
उनी मलाई असाध्यै स्ट्रङ
provide you the
र असाध्यै कन्सियस लाग्यो आफ्नो बारेमा र आफ्नो वरिपरि सबै कुराको बारेमा
what is the name of that?
उनी अझै पनि म्यानेज गर्ने प्रयास गर्दै थिए
नोभेल हस्पिटल
जुन असाध्यै तारिफ लाग्दो थियो
Karisma Manandar and some other places over there is the land. She was very good at people because those somewhere that the people was going on. Kuti,
That was in a earthquake time. We made like about 80 cities here around.
Yeah. And some days she had very good heart, and she helped her. She was together with the other lady. She was like, what to do? I was keep trying that the shopkeeper, if I go, and that the shopkeeper man, what is to say? I have to talk to the husband, and the husband what he say, it will say yes, and he's allowed to meet her, otherwise.
No, it's not that many people come like this, so that's why.
And I have the solar also. But
You got solar.
but it doesn't work. The feed is good or nothing. For the mobile only for the charging, that I was thinking on mobile also then very difficult. I have to take for other places too and the charging.
I will ask Vinod to how you can just get the one light at least.
It doesn't work. Whenever I hold it like this one, then the light comes over here.
Okay, this is a solar system, right?
Yeah.
But
This is there.
you should get bigger solar.
Sun is not there. If dim sun also it can work.
Okay, now, but if I give you emergency light, you have to charge from the electric one.
Yeah.
So that will not work.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
And this is before the light was shown, I was so happy. Yeah, today I will not take. I have the milk, just I will warm it, and the chicken rice I will eat. Okay. Vegetable and all those things. Then I have eat that, and then whenever the rain not comes so heavily, I'm preparing in the wood.
Okay.
Wood and I have so many that the bamboos,
Where do you
pieces.
prepare? I mean, on the side.
Yeah, this one. We didn't get toilet.
Okay, this is good idea.
This
Food
is the
will be
toilet.
very tasty. Hey, this is toilet?
Toilet is inside
Uh-huh.
that I cover, but when the just toilet,
Uh-huh.
that is why what you call is so many days that I think it will sting. Now just 2-3 days only. So
you
that,
put wood over here.
yeah, wood also. I'm preparing whatever left over that the pieces one. So when the rain heavily begin to come, so I left it to cook in the fire.
Okay. Oh, this is so difficult.
Yeah, how I'm difficulty I'm surviving my life. So real problem or not, the
Yeah.
people only can come and see like that, but they will be no.
Yeah. Okay, Valentine, I'll just ask about what we can do for the light. Okay. I will not.
So this is she's continually taking this one, or the voice also gone over there.
Yes, it's going over there, but I will tell audience to help you if they can. But I will say that in Nepali because my English is not very good. So
Why not?
किनभने अब नेपालीमा भन्यो भने चाहिँ सबैले बुझ्नुहुन्छ होइन त्यो भएर हो सो मैले चाहिँ भन्छु होला होइन तपाईँ अब यहाँबाट सर्ने विचार गर्दै हुनुहुँदो रहेछ भ्यालेन्टाइनले त्यहाँबाट सर्छु अन्त ल्यान्ड पाएँ भनेर तर त्यहाँ पनि मैले चाहिँ के समस्या देखेँ भने उहाँ एक्लो हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ गुड नेबरहुड छ होइन
Good neighborhood, but they have no good art.
अनि त्यही हो कि अनि अब इलेक्ट्रिकको प्रब्लम त उहाँलाई जहाँ पनि हुने रहेछ किनभने तार त चाहिन्छ होइन एउटा इलेक्ट्रिक नभइकन चाहिँ बेलुका बत्ती बल्दैन उहाँले खाना पकाउनु सक्नुहुन्न मैले त्यो समस्या देखेँ र पानी त उहाँले जसरी भयो नि अन्तबाट ल्याउँछु भन्नुभयो पानीको नि वास्तवमा समस्या हुन्छ तर उहाँले अर्को ल्यान्ड हेर्छु भन्नुभयो यहाँबाट सार्ने 1 वर्षपछि भनेर तर यो घर चाहिँ उहाँलाई फेरि भत्काउनु पर्यो अनि फेरि बोकेर लिएर अर्को ठाउँमा फिक्स गर्नु पर्यो जसको लागि चाहिँ झन्डै फेरि 30-40 हजार रुपियाँ लाग्छ होइन एकजना मान्छे
30,000 पनि
लाग्दैन ओके
क्यारिङ लाइन हो तर पहिला म यो सर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ मैले आफ्नो सामान लगेर कसैको डेरामा राख्नु पर्यो
ओके तपाईँ राम्रो नेपाली बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ त
Yeah, I can speak it, but you have also educated, and that is why
I thought you cannot speak.
Yeah,
तपाईँ बोल्न सक्नुहुन्न भनेर मैले चाहिँ बोलिरहेको थिएँ त्यही हो कि अब त्यही मद्दत गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने म भ्यालेन्टाइनको नम्बर मैले यहाँ वास्तवमा लिएर आएको छु है मलाई किनभने चिन्ता लागिरहेको थियो कि एकजना मान्छे अब होइन अब एक्लै बस्नुपर्छ र यो परिस्थितिमा बस्दा अप्ठ्यारै हुन्छ होला भनेर चाहिँ मैले चिनेको मान्छेले गर्ने सहयोग भनेको पर्याप्त हुँदैन पक्कै पनि होइन मलाई के लाग्छ भने मानिस जुनै भूगोलको होस् जुनै भाषा बोल्ने होस् जुनै धर्म मान्ने होस् मलाई के लाग्छ भने पहिला त ऊ मान्छे हो त्यसपछि मात्रै त्यो सब चिजहरू आउँछ त्यही कारण मान्छेलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ होइन आई थिङ्क उहाँ यो उमेर त म भन्दिनँ यु लुक सो फिट है तपाईँ एकदम फिट देखिनु भएको छ म उमेरको कुरा गर्न चाहन्न तर के
God grace this one.
एक्लै हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँ त्यही कारण चाहिन्छ मैले भ्यालेन्टाइनको नम्बर यहाँ लिइराखेको छु म अलिकति मार्क्स खोलेँ यो चाहिँ नम्बर मैले यहाँलाई बताउँदैछु भ्यालेन्टाइनको नम्बर चाहिँ यदि हजुरले मद्दत गर्न चाहेमा उहाँलाई डाइरेक्ट हजुरले कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नुहोस् होइन उहाँ हाम्रो आफ्नै दिदी बहिनी छोरी बेटी चेली जे सम्झे पनि हुन्छ होइन उहाँको नम्बर चाहिँ छ 9869287761 उहाँको फेरि पनि म रिपिट गर्छु 9869287761 यो चाहिँ भ्यालेन्टाइनको नम्बर हो होइन हजुरहरूले रिपिट गरेर पनि हेरेर टिप्नु होला होइन मैले आफूले गर्न सक्ने त सक्दो मैले गरिहाल्छु मैले भनिहालेँ यहाँ समस्या के छ उहाँको बत्ती छैन एक्लै मान्छे राति कहिलेकाहीँ बिरामी पर्न सकिन्छ होइन कोही मद्दत गर्न आउने मान्छे छैन उहाँ मलाई भेट्न आउँदाखेरि मलाई त्यसैले नै सबभन्दा बढी उहाँप्रति आकर्षित गरायो कि ओहो मलाई त केही गर्नुपर्छ कमसेकम उहाँको मनमा यति त होस् न कि त्यहाँ मेरो चिन्ने मान्छे
मलाई थाहा छ यो भिडियो लामो भइसक्यो तर मैले उनको हरेक कुरा सुन्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्यो र सकेको मद्दत गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्यो
ठीक छ त्यो त यस्तो हो
आशा छ उनका समस्याहरू
गर्न मन लाग्दैन उनीहरु सबै
समाधान हुनेछन्
छोडी तर अब यहाँको लागि लाइटको लागि चाहिँ के गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर म विनोदजीलाई सोच्छु सोलरबाटै अझै पावरफुल सोलर केही पाउँछ कि होइन त्यो राख्यो भने चाहिँ कमसेकम तपाईँले एउटा लाइट जलाउन सक्यो भने तपाईँले बेलुका खाना पकाउन सक्छ एउटा कुरा म त्यसको लागि चाहिँ अब गर्छु बाँकी तपाईँ मुभ भए पनि भइहाल्नुहुन्छ होइन नभए पनि यहाँ नजिकै छौँ है केही समस्या भयो भने फोन गर्नु होला अब यो लकडाउन छ होइन अब अलिक सुरक्षित पनि रहनु तर केही पऱ्यो भने चाहिँ मलाई तपाईँ एकदमै डोन्ट हेजिटेट टु कल मी है भ्यालेन्टाइन
That I think that one solar one man, he gave me the card, and then I gave him call, and this one I went to see him also. I think that the pin is loose and it doesn't work. Sometimes कोही बेला मलाई पेट बिग्रिनु सक्छ हैन
टोयलेट जानु पऱ्यो
टोयलेटलाई त म पिसाबको त म पिसाबभित्र गर्छु म पिसाब ल्याएर यहाँ गर्छु हैन दिनमा म धेरै पानी खान्छु खानुपर्छ मलाई अनि कोही बेला म अचानक मलाई केही खानु मन लाग्छ कोही बेला अब मन नलागेर सुतेको हुन्छ अनि मलाई उठेर खानुपर्छ हैन अनि मैनबत्ती राखेको छु मैले अनि बतास लाग्छ मैनबत्ती बल्न दिँदैन अनि त्यसले सोध्नु बेलामा उसले त्यस्तो भन्यो अनि म अर्कै मान्छेलाई म यो इलेक्ट्रिकको मान्छेलाई मैले झरा सिकाउँ चिनेको छ यो कारण भएको छ यदि यसले हेल्प गर्छ भने राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर सोचेँ
उनको कुरा सुन्दा सामान्य जस्तो सुनिन्छ
भ्यालेन्टाइन म त वक जान्छु भन्ने सोचेको थिएँ तर मेरो विचारमा नजाउँ हावा पनि लागिरहेको छ अँध्यारो पनि हुन आँट्यो तपाईँ पनि आफ्नो दुध तताएर खानुहोस् केही पऱ्यो भने फोन गर्नुहोस् है
you are the right person God has selected me. Then I'm thinking, and whoever I know, very good at person, I present your name. Before the 1 year or the 2 years before, if I used to see you, I was keep planning to see, but then whenever I go shop, the shopkeeper used to say like that one.
Okay, because many people come to like that, that's why.
Pretendly.
त्यसको लागि माफी चाहन्छु र अहिले नै म लागेँ भ्यालेन्टाइन
Okay.
It's nice to see you. It is very good.
You go back.
I'll go back because it's
Weather
windy
is
now.
not good.
यो त अप्ठ्यारो पर्छ हस् अब किन 7 बजेपछि बन्द पनि हुन्छ फेरि
You are not feeling cold?
गर्मी नै छ अहिले त हस् त बाई
And then what will you do? This one and inside one photo you
we took the video